Pinterest has long been one of the top sources for generating leads with quizzes, all the way dating back to 2013 when we started Interact. My name is Josh. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Interact. We started doing lead generation quizzes in 2013. The average conversion rate for our quizzes is 40%. It's been the same since 2013, so over 13 years now. It is the highest converting quiz platform, and a lot of our customers use their quizzes on Pinterest. Here is how it works. I'm going to walk you through it, and I'll walk you through how to make a quiz like the one I'm showing you with Interact, and it's very quick. So here's a pin of a quiz, crazy accurate interior design style quiz. Take the free quiz. This is a great image here for this pin. The reason why it's a great image is that it's really simple and straightforward. It's a image that definitely represents what you're talking about. It's really nice interior design style. And then there are words on there that just basically give you the basics of what you need to know about the quiz. Then the description here, what's your interior design style? Take this quiz to find out. So nothing overly complicated here. Make it straightforward. The reason why somebody would click this and visit site is because they're actually interested to know their interior design style, which is the key to Pinterest lead generation quizzes. You have to have the topic be something that people actually care about. Otherwise, why would they answer the quiz questions and go through it, right? So this is done well. This quiz has 1,004 shares. I think a lot of that is from Pinterest because looking at Michaela Diane here, who made this quiz, a lot of her stuff is on Pinterest. So here's the quiz itself. This is with Interact. Interact automatically optimizes your quiz for conversions. A big part of that is just making sure that everything displays nicely and it looks good. A beautiful quiz is going to convert higher than one that looks kind of not that great. So this is the cover page. With Pinterest specifically, you want to use a lot of images. So this is a nice image here, again, for this cover page. And again, reiterating the same text here, interior design style quiz. You want that to carry through the whole quiz and also the emails that you send as follow-up, because if you don't, then people kind of get distracted and they lose interest. So start the quiz, and here are the questions. The questions have lots of nice images. Again, that's good with Pinterest because Pinterest is the visual search engine. So you want everything that you do to also have images. But here's a good example here where if it doesn't need images, don't use images. Don't force it, because if you force it, then it just looks kind of weird. So here's the opt-in form at the end. This integrates directly with your email software. I'll show you that in a second with Interact, but I'm just going to pop in my name and my email, and then it's going to send me my results by email, and I'll also be able to see them on the next page. So how do you make a quiz like this? Here's Interact. I'm going to log in really quickly and show you how fast you can make a quiz exactly like this one. I'm going to go create quiz, and then I will select a template. The reason why I'm selecting a template is because we actually have an industry that is related to this, which is interior design. And I'm just going to show you really quickly what this could look like. So which home is right for you, what type of energy, which interior design style matches your personality. Here it is. I can preview this template and then use it. Obviously, all the text can be changed. You can also change these styles. We just added this feature here where you can make the buttons a different size and a different width. So I'm going to make this like here, and I'm going to make it a square button. I'm actually going to make this a pill button because that looks nice. And then you can upload your own images, or you can use our built-in integration with Unsplash to get free stock images. Go into the questions, same thing. The way the correlations work on these quizzes is you're basically going to say, here's an answer choice. It correlates to this outcome. And this is basically a +1. Whichever outcome gets the most +1s at the end of the quiz is the one that's going to be shown to you as your outcome. And then I'm going to go into my results, set these up, and then set up the lead gen, which is the big money maker. That's the reason why most people use our platform, is because you can actually set up lead gen. Again, you can change the button style here and the color as well. So I'm going to make that a nice black color so it has good contrast there. And then I'm going to set up my integration. We have integrations with all the major email marketing platforms like Kit, like Flowdesk. I'm going to choose Flowdesk just because that's relevant to this particular quiz. And so I'm going to go ahead and allow that. And then it's going to connect to Flowdesk and redirect back to the Interact Quiz Builder. Boom, it's connected. So I can add actions and add a different segment for each of my quiz outcomes. Really super easy to do that. I'm just going to do that really quickly so that we can finish this quiz and publish it. And I'm going to show you the publishing and embedding options. When you publish a quiz, you can either just publish it and use a direct link, or you can embed it into your website the way that that example quiz that I showed you is. So here we go. We're all set up with our integration. Just going to click next, 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 and done. Send test lead and send test lead. All good. Verified success there. So you know that it's working. That way you don't waste any leads, and then publish. So publish changes. What I'm going to go do here is I'm going to grab the live link. So I'm going to copy that and just show you really quickly what that looks like. So here's my quiz. I can go through it. Light right there as a URL, or I can embed it into whichever website builder I'm using, WordPress, Squarespace, Showit, Joby, Shopify, all the good stuff here. So I can grab the embed instructions and put that on my site. So this is how you are going to generate leads from Pinterest with quizzes. Again, 40% average conversion rate since 2013. We've been working with small businesses who are using Pinterest as a traffic driver. Since then, it's been super successful. Follow this guide, and this is going to give you the best chances of getting a good solid lead gen quiz on Pinterest.